Hi guys, it's me Christina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a package for you guys. This one right here, and this one guys, it comes from AB Hair. They sent me this product to review, and if you're not familiar with AB Hair, I will leave their website in the description box so you will know about it. So yeah, for today's video, I'm gonna do unboxing plus try on. So if you guys are interested, so please keep on watching. So here's the packaging, what it looks like, guys. I really love the packaging, and then the design as well. And then it says here, Salon Signature Style by abhair.com. So here's the item, guys. It's a wig. I really like the color, guys. And this one, guys, it's a high quality human hair. As you can see, guys, it looks like a real hair. It's really soft and shiny. I can't wait to try this on, guys. So let's go ahead and try this on. So guys, that will be all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.